Lesson number 27. A special way to add by carryover. We have already learned how to add without carrying over. Now, let's learn addition by carrying over. Firstly, learn addition without carrying over. For practice, learn what carry over first. Here are 12 sticks of matchstick single. Just as we have learned here, let us tie 10 of them in a bundle of these 12 sticks and keep 2 single sticks. Look here. In this example, adding 7 objects and 8 objects. Now, 7 plus 8 equal to 15 is the answer. But the number of unit place digits, so 5, keep it on unit place. Then, where should place 1 digit? So, 1 has to keep on 10 place. Similar example should be seen in tens and unit structure. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 5 digit at unit place and 1 on tens place, right? 6 plus 5 equals 11. 1 on unit place and 1 on tens place. As well as 6 plus 6 equals 12. Write like this. 4 plus 9 equals 13. Now let's learn addition by carrying over. See this example. 15 plus 9 equal to how much? And how do we write? To write carrying over 1, draw 1 column here. Let's write 15 plus 9 in structure. Now, first do addition of units place and write it at unit place. It means 5 units plus 9 units equals 14 units. Let's make a bundle of 10 and remaining 4 units in the unit place. Means 14 units equal to 1 tens and 4 units. Now which will make a bundle of 10 that called carry over. That is, write 1 at 10 place. Now 110 plus 110 equal to 2 tens. Thus, we have 2 tens in the sum. Means 15 plus 9 equals 24. Write carrying over like this. Let's solve out more such examples. 14 plus 29 equal to how much? Let's write 14 plus 29 in the structure. Now, the sum of 4 units plus 9 units equals 13. Write 3 in place of unit and write 1 digit carried over in the tens place. Now let's write carried over 1 and 2, sum 4. Write in the tens place. 14 plus 29 equals 43. Just like that, 36 plus 25 equals 61. 32 plus 28 equals 60. 68 plus 22 equals 90. 44 plus 27 equals 71. 69 plus 9 equals 78. 27 plus 34 equals 61. Now, you know how to add by carrying over. Practice it a lot.